Children, so we end with infinite verbs. An infinite verb is a verb which has to before it. It shows infinite action which is used at the beginning of the sentence: to eat, to run, to believe, to follow, to laugh, to wonder, to stare. All these are examples of infinite verbs. Clear, dear? Next comes modal verb. Everybody was aware of this modal verbs. Okay. Modal, spelling is M-O-D-A-L. One girl asked me, "Ma'am, you wrote the spelling wrong, ma'am. It is modal, M-O-D-E-L only. You wrote as M-O-D-A-L. It is actually the spelling is correct. M-O-D-A-L is a modal verb." So there are so many types of classifications here, small classification. One is ability. Example modal verb is can and could. If there is a sentence using the word can, that means you are capable. That is, you are having that ability to perform that action. For example, David can speak 3 languages. That is, he is skilled. David is skilled. David has the ability to talk 3 languages. Right? He could speak fluent French when he was 5. So all these can and could speaks about ability of a person. Clear? Next is permission. Can, could and may. Right? Can, could and may. Can, could, now only I told you to perform or ability. Now again I am saying you permission. How to identify whether it is a permission or it is an ability? By seeing the sentence itself, you can able to identify whether it is a permission or an ability. Right? Example, can I sit in that chair, please? Could I open the window? May I borrow your dictionary? May I come in, ma'am? So all these you are asking daily in your class. So you can able to identify it is a permission, question or an ability. Most of the permissions will be questions. Next comes advice. The word used for advice is should. Right? You should visit your dentist. You should try. Right? All these are the sentences which are used for advice. You should try to reduce your weight. You should do this. So when we are advising or when we are hearing, you should wake up early in the morning. At what time, ma'am? 6 o'clock. Ma'am, what is this? You are asking me to wake up in the midnight. Now 6 o'clock has become midnight. Right? So all the advices will have should. Next comes obligation. Obligation, must and have to. I must memorize all of these rules about tenses. You have to take off your shoes before you get into the mosque. So obligations are rules and regulations to be followed. Possibility, might, may, can, could, all these comes under possibilities. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. So there are possibilities to happen. It may rain today. So possibility, just guesses. Right? So now types of verbs in a small format. Okay, like a mind map. Verb is classified as 2. One is lexical verb, otherwise called as main verb, and the next one is auxiliary verb or helping verb. Okay. So lexical verb is otherwise called as main verb. Auxiliary verb are otherwise called as helping verb. Lexical verb example is work, study, read, etc. Whatever it is. Next, auxiliary verb, again it is divided into two. One is primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary verb is again divided into three sections: be verb, do verb and have verb. What is it? Be. Yes, be verb. Again it is classified as two: present tense and past tense. Present tense is am, is and are. Past tense is was and were. All these you know before. Just a detailed classification for you to recap. That's it. Do verb, present tense and past tense. Present tense is do and does. Past tense is did alone. Have verb, past tense and present tense. Present tense is has and have. Past tense is had alone. Okay, modal auxiliary verb. You have present tense as can, will, shall, may, must, have to, has to. Past tense is could, would, might, ought to, had to. So all these are considered as modal auxiliaries. So I hope the types of verbs are clear here. Is it clear? Right? Now what we are going to have is a small test for you. It's a small test for you in this session about verb. Okay. So I'm going to give you nearly 15 to 18 questions. Right. You try and answer these questions. Let us check what are the answers. Right. Be honest and try to do on your own. I'm not going to give you any rank cards, or I'm not going to include in any of the marks. It is for your own reference. After attending the test, post the test mark in the group. Okay? Right? First question. First is complete the sentence by choosing the correct form of the verb given in brackets. Question number 1. She will dash. What is the verb? Get. Get you a new pair of jeans on your birthday. She will dash in bracket get you a new pair of jeans on your birthday. Options, 4 options are there. One is got, gotten, get, getting. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. I have been dash try to bake a perfect cake since morning. Tries, try, trying, tried. Right? Third question. Yash dash throw the ball very far and the ball went across the road. 4 options are throw, thrown, throws, threw. Right? The fourth one, he was dash bite by a snake. Bitten, bite, biting, bit. And the fifth question is, the ship dash sink to the bottom of the sea. Sank, sink, sinking, sunken. Sixth one, I never dash use to miss my drawing classes in school. Used, use, using, uses. So children, check what are the options there and write the correct option with the option number. B means B, C, like that. Okay. Then whenever I am giving you the answer key, you can check it out. Now the 7th question, I would dash forgive him if he had apologized. Forgive, have forgave, have forgive, have forgiven. Next is, I don't know how the money I kept in my wallet got, dash, steal. Stolen, steal, stole, stealed. So, which is the correct answer, dear? Check it out. Ninth question. She dash get the mail last week. Gets, gotten, get, got. 10th question is dash drink milk is good for health. Drunk, drinks, drank, drinking. Right? By reading itself you can able to understand. Anyway, if it is difficult, go through the question 2 to 3 times, then it will be easy for you. There are certain rules and regulation to be followed. Okay? Whatever you have doubt, let us come with the doubt, then it will be clear for me to clarify yours. The 11th question is, it was pitch dark, however, there dash be a ray of light that came from the farmer's hut. Was, is, can be, could be. The 12th question, I will not be able to dash complete my project on time. Completed, completing, completes, complete. The 13th question, I would have dash fall down from the window as I was feeling very dizzy. Falling, fell, fall, fallen. Right? What is the answer? You discuss and tell me. 14th one, my brother scolded me because I dash drive through the hills late in the night when it was raining heavily. My brother scolded me because I dash drive through the hills late in the night when it was raining heavily. Drove, driven, driving, drive. 15th question. These days, Rahul dash forget his homework very often. Forgotten, forgot, forget, forgets. The 16th question is, don't forget to give me a call when you dash go to the gym. Gone, have gone, went, go. Right? 17th question, I have never dash be to Agra to visit the Taj Mahal. Be, been, being, had been. And the 18th and the last question is, the wind dash blow heavily yesterday. Blow, had blew, blown, was blowing. Children, that's it. 18 questions I completed. After writing the test, you check the answer here. Okay, be honest, I said. Check the answer now. Answers, first option is C, second one C, third is D, fourth A, 5A, 6A, 7 is D, 8A, 9D, 10 is also D, 11A, 12D, 13 is D, 14A option, 15th is D option, 16th is also D option, 17 is B and 18th is D. Okay, children, I hope you will be honest and you check your answer, submit the marks what you have got. Okay, if you are not honest, you try it again. After reading, you try the second time. I hope you will understand it. Okay, match your answers. Thank you, dear. We'll meet in the next session. Bye.